Hello friends, today we are going to see about DCL and TCL commands. DCL is data control language, DCL is transaction control language. Now we are going to see about DCL. DCL data control languages has mainly two commands such as grant and revoke, which mainly deals with rights, permissions and control of whereas a grant gives users to access privileges to database, whereas revoke is withdraw the user's privileges given by the grant command. Next one is TCL. TCL means TCL transaction control language deals with transaction within the database, which are done within the database. Here you can some of the examples are commit, rollback, and save point. Whereas commit is commits a transaction, rollback rollbacks if any error occurs in that transaction. Save point is it will save the transaction. And moving to the questions, first one is create a new user. For creating a new user, we are using create user followed by the username and identified by the like we are giving a password. And now you have to use these two only to log in to the new user. And here you can see we are altering the user as a username and the present username. The username doesn't change. After that password, we can change the password. Here you can see I will here use my this case introduce this password and the usernames are because here you can see the I have used the small p and here you can see I have used caps p. From that you can accept that. Here you can see we are granting some privileges to the new user. For that, first we are going to create session to the new user. So we are creating grant create session to your. After this only we have able to create a data table or everything or anything in the user. After that we are granting the select command select to the respective table inside that database using grant option and same like that only we are giving a update privilege and also insert privilege to the respective table within the new user database. Okay, that's all. We moving to the next question. We are granting the select to the next table in the your same user. After that, you can see here what is the data inside the that table, the depositor table. You are using select star from. Here you can see I have mentioned system. What is the system? Is it is the root user where the deposit underscore 1151 is inside the system user. If you have a table inside the new user means then you have to mention that username dot table name. That's all. Here you can see again I am granting the select uh, query to the deposit table, and here you can see I have revoked the revoked the privileges that I have granted to the user. In above I have grant the select select uh, query to the user select privilege to the user. So here I am revoking that select privilege from the user so that it will not able to uh, select make select privileges. Here you can see revoke select on deposit from. For grant we are using grant select on deposit to this but from this, so we are getting back here so that you are using from. After that creating a save point is simple as save point followed by the name, that's all. And deleting a record is simple as a normal query delete from followed by the table name. That's all. And we are using a rollback. Rollback is simple. That's all. All the DCL and some of the DCL and TCL main commands are finished here. That's all for this video. Thank you, friends.